Okay, now another interesting method for finding the uh, integration by parts. Okay, this is a rule for finding integrals of indefinite integrals. Actually, integration by parts is a rule that transforms the integral of a products of functions into other function. This will be true product of functions uh, which we have to integrate. If the functions are not related, then we have to use integration by parts. Okay, if there are two individual functions, no, and there is no relation between these two functions, then you have to use this integration by parts. And the equation is like this: integration of u dv will be ub minus integration of v du. So using this integration by parts method, we will try to find an example. Suppose this is an example we are trying to solve now. This is the rule for finding integration, which is called integration by parts. Integration by part. This is the main rule for integration by parts. U into B. If there are two individual functions and there is no relationship between two functions, then you have to apply integration by parts. Suppose U and B are two individual functions. We have to integrate with respect to dx. Then this product of two functions, product rule. This is the product rule of integration. U into integration of B minus differentiation of U, integration of B, and again they are in integration of their product. Okay, suppose for example, suppose we have an example like this: integration of x e to the power x dx. How we can integrate this? Okay, how we can integrate this one? So first of all, we have to take the which will be u and which will be b. Okay, suppose here we are considering u equals to x, and which is differentiable actually, and b equals to what? E to the power x. First one is u and second one is b. Now substituting in this rule, u into, that means x into integration of b minus integration ddx of u integration of b integration of b dx. Just using u equals to x and b equals to what? Ex. First one is u and second one is ex. Okay, just substituting here we get this. So x into e to the power x integration what? E to the power x minus in differentiation of x what? 1, and e to the power x integration what? Ex. This equals to x into e to the power x minus dx. Minus this is the integration again. Integration what will be? Ex plus c. At the end we have to add a integral constant, which is constant function. So now e to the power x will be common. Okay, this will be the result. Very easy one. Okay, now there are actually two methods in integration by parts by using rule. Another is name is tabular method. This is the using rule. This rule we can write there. Another method is tabular method. Tabular method. Okay, tabular method. This is the another part, another method. Another method, tabular method. For this method, we have to find, we have to take the product function. Okay, product function. Product function. This is also DI method, also called DI method, differentiation and integration method. And second column, differentiation. Differentiation. And in third column, integration. In third column, integration. And product of what here? Product of x, ex, okay? And differentiation of what will be first function? Differentiation of what will be? Differentiation of first function. First function what here? X. And second function what? Ex. Just taking three column, one is product, another is differentiation, other is integration. So product of this, differentiation of x what? Differentiation of x 1. And integration of e to the power x what? E to the power x. Now second differentiation what will be? Differentiation of 1 what will be? 0. And integration of e to the power x what? Integration of e to the power x what? Again e to the power x. Okay. Now writing the rules. First one will be plus. First one will be plus. Second one will be minus. In this way. And the product will be, this x will be, product will be what? This one. This x into this one. Okay. And this one into this one. So using this process, the integration of this will be integration of dx will be what? X into e to the power x. X into e to the power x. Then we have to take what? We have to take minus. Okay. Minus. Then 1 into e to the power x. Okay. Then 1 into e to the power x plus c. So x minus 1 into e to the power x plus c. This is another interesting method. This is also called tabular method or differentiation integration method. So using these two methods, we can integrate easily. Okay, now another example by integration by parts using this rule, x square sine x. X square equals to u and sine x equals to b. Just substituting here. Okay, u into integration of b minus differentiation of u integration of b. Again, their integration of their product. So sine x integration what will be? Minus cos x minus x square differentiation what will be? Twice x, and sine x will be minus cos x dx. So x square minus minus plus 2 again UV process. U equals to what will be x, and cos x will be what? U into integration of b minus differentiation of u integration of b, again their integration. Okay. So to cos x differentiation what? Sin x. Cos x integration sin x minus sin x dx. This integration what will be? Sin x integration what? Minus cos x. Okay. Minus minus plus cos x. So this is the plus c we have to use. Minus x square cos x plus twice x sin x plus 2 cos x plus c. Very easy method. So just by using rule, we can write this one, and we can use another method which is called tabular method. Okay, tabular method or DI method. Product of what? X square sin x. So u, that means differentiation of x square and integration of sin x column. First column, differentiation of x square what? Twice x. and 2x and integration of sin x what? Minus cos x. Again 2x differentiation what? 2, and minus cos x integration what? Minus sin x. Okay, now differentiation of 2 what? 0. Then minus sin x integration what? Cos x. Now we have to stop because there is no differentiation. Now just adding corner, adding this corner, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So integration of x squared sin x by tabular method, what will be? Minus, plus, minus, minus this corner, product of this corner, and product of this corner. Minus, minus, what will be? Plus twice x sin x, and plus what will be? 2 sin x. This will, there will be a integral constant. Very easy. This is the first method. This is the first method, and this is the second method by using differentiation and integration process, DI method also, or tabular method, anyone. Now another example, example using integration by parts, UV process. First method, suppose x square e to the power thrice x dx. This is an example where you have to substitute u equals to x square and b equals to what? E to the power thrice x. But remember this, we have a formula of integration like this, in integration formula, e to the power mx. Integration what? 1 by m e to the power mx. This is the result. Okay, this is the formula for integration of e to the power mx. So just now using this power this product rule for integration, x square into integration of b minus differentiation of u integration of b, and again their integration of their product. So x square e to the power mx, m equals to here 3, so 1 by 3 e to the power thrice x, minus x square differentiation what? Twice x, and e to the power thrice x what will be? 1 by 3 e to the power thrice x. Okay, now using this e to the power mx formula, what will be? 1 e to the power mx divided by m, same words. Now 1 by 3 x square e to the power thrice x, this will be what? This will be minus, remember it, this will be minus, and this will be minus also, this will be also minus, minus this, again UB process. Okay, 2 by 3 will be common, u into integration of b minus differentiation of u integration of b dx. So x into e to the power thrice x formula what? 1 by 3 e to the power thrice x, using this formula, m equals to 3 here, 1 by 3 e to the power thrice x. So again differentiation of x what? 1, so integration of e to the power thrice x will be 1 by 3 e to the power thrice x dx. Now 2 by 3 will be multiplied, this will be minus, and this also minus, just this multiply, 2 by 3, 1 by 3 x e to the power thrice x minus 1 by 3, again integration of this, what will be? E to the power thrice x by 3. So 3 3 what will be? 9. So minus minus will be plus, and this will be minus. Same result we can see by using another method, which is called tabular method or differentiation integration method or DI method, anyone. So product function what was? X square into e to the power x. So taking differentiation of x square in first column, and in second column integration of what? E to the power thrice x. So x square differentiation what? Twice x, and e to the power thrice x integration what? 1 by 3 e to the power thrice x. Similarly, twice x differentiation what? 2, because x differentiation 1. Now again integration of 1 by 3 e to the power thrice x, what will be? E to the power thrice x formula what? Using this one, 1 by 3 e to the power thrice x, so 1 by 9 e to the power thrice x. So differentiation of 2 what? 0. Again integration of 1 by 9 e to the power thrice x, what will be? 1 by 27 e to the power thrice x. In this way we will go. Now we have to stop because differentiation is 0 after third times differentiation. So now the using tabular method, what will be the integration of x square e to the power thrice x dx? What will be? Product of this corner, okay, x square into it 1 by 3, okay, plus twice x, sorry, second one minus twice x into 1 by 9, and third one 2 into this, plus, first one plus, then second, then minus, then plus, then minus, then plus, then minus. In this way we have to proceed. So by using tabular method, this is the result, same result we got, and using the rule of UB rule, that means product function rule, we get this same result. Okay, very interesting method. This is called integration by parts. Okay, now another example. Example 4, e to the power x cos x dx by using the product rule of integration. So taking u equals to cos x and b equals to sin e to the power x, we can write this just u equals to cos x and b equals to e to the power x. Okay, putting here. So cos x e to the power x integration what? E to the power x minus this cos x differentiation what? Cos x differentiation minus sin x to e to the power x. Minus minus plus sin x e to the power x dx. Again UV process. Okay, if e sin x equals to u and integration of b minus b dx minus integration over d dx of sin x integration of e to the power x, again the integration of their product. Plus sin x e to the power x minus differentiation of sin x what? Cos x. Remember this, suppose I equals to this. We are given I equals to e to the power x. That means I equals to this, I equals to this one, equals to this one, I equals to this one. Okay. So this means this is also I. Okay. So I equals to what we can write, e to the power x will be common, cos x plus sin x minus I. Therefore, twice I equals to cos x plus sin x. That means I. That means I means what? This equals to I equals to half e to the power x cos x plus sin x. This is the result. Okay. This is our findings using the product rule of integration. Similarly, we can use tabular method here. Tabular method, you can use the tabular method. E to the power x cos x. This equals to what will be by tabular method? Product will be what? Product will be e to the power x into cos x plus minus minus what will be? Minus 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 plus. So cos x into e to the power x half into cos x e to the power x plus half into sin x e to the power x plus c. That means half e to the power x plus sin x plus c. This is the result. By using tabular method, we also get the same one because this is the repeated one. Okay, repeating this one. This cos x are repeating. This is why you have to use a half here. So using the product rule, we get this result, and using tabular method, using the DI method or differentiation integration method, we get the same result. And using the same procedure, we can integrate x to the 4 sin x dx by tabular method or differentiation integration method. Now you have to take the column, 3 column, one for differentiation, other for integration. This will be sine. Suppose x to the 4 differentiation what? 4 x cube. Okay. And sin x integration what? Minus cos x. Again, this sign will be what? Product sign. First sign will be plus. Remember it. Now for the second one, for the second one, for the second one, 4x cube differentiation what will be? 12. 12 what? X square using power rule. Okay. Using power rule. Similarly, here integration what? Minus sin x. Okay. Sin will be minus. And 12x square differentiation what? 24x. Here integration what will be? Integration will be sin x integration what? Minus cos x. Okay. So minus minus plus cos x. Now differentiation of 24x what will be? 24. And cos x integration what? Sin x. 24 differentiation 0. Now sin x integration what? Minus cos x. We have to stop now because differentiation is 0. So for this sign plus, this sign minus, this sign will be what? Plus, this sign minus, this sign plus. So now using this table,